Elon Musk's Neuralink breakthrough. Woman writes name with thoughts. Mind-blowing breakthrough. Woman signs her name with thoughts alone after 20-year hiatus. Is this the future of human-computer interaction? Imagine being unable to sign your name for 2 decades, only to rediscover this fundamental aspect of identity through the power of thought alone. This is precisely what happened to Audrey Crews, a recipient of Neuralink's pioneering technology, leaving the internet in awe and sparking a heated conversation about the boundaries of human innovation. A fellow X-user succinctly framed the accomplishment, prompting a response from none other than Elon Musk, Neuralink's visionary founder. Elon Musk weighs in, the unseen possibilities. Musk's endorsement, she is controlling her computer just by thinking. Most people don't realize this is possible, has garnered nearly 11 million views, igniting a firestorm of excitement and curiosity. Reactions range from the ecstatic, "This is the most exciting thing I've seen all year," to the profoundly moved, "This made me cry," underscoring the profound impact of this technological leap. But here's where it gets controversial. As Neuralink pushes the frontiers with its blindsight project, aiming to bestow vision upon the blind and potentially elevate human sight to superhuman levels by 2030, questions arise. What are the ethical implications of such profound enhancements? Could this technology exacerbate societal inequalities, or will it be a great equalizer? Neuralink's ambitious vision, beyond blind sight. Delving deeper into Neuralink's mission, it becomes clear that this breakthrough is merely the tip of the iceberg. The company envisions a future where its brain-machine interfaces, BMIs, not only restore motor functions to the paralyzed and sight to the blind, but also revolutionize the human-digital interface. With plans to generate over $1 billion in annual revenue by 2031 through 3 types of brain implants, the stakes are high and the future tantalizingly uncertain. So we ask you, are advancements like Neuralink's blindsight the key to unlocking a new era of human evolution? Or do they pose unforeseen risks to our collective humanity? Should access to such transformative technologies be prioritized for those in dire medical need? Or should they be available to all, potentially redefining the fabric of society? Share your thoughts below. Additional resources. Explore Neuralink's official mission and the groundbreaking work behind their bidirectional brain interfaces. Dive into the Bloomberg report detailing Neuralink's ambitious rollout plans for blindsight and beyond.